my name is Pragati Mishra and today I am going to discuss the examples of linear differential equation. In my previous video, I have discussed about the method to solve a linear differential equation which is linear in x as well as linear in y. Yesterday I didn't upload the examples because of some problems. Today I am going to discuss some problems based on the linear differential equation linear in x as well as linear in y. So you can see these examples. This example is of form comparing this example with this equation. You can see this equation is of form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. You can see here this is p, this is y, this is dy by dx and this is q. So I can compare p is equal to 4x upon x square plus 1 and q is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1 raised to power 3. So you can see by comparing this equation with this equation we got the values of p and q, and you can see the p is also a function of x and q is also a function of x. So all the conditions are satisfied. So this is the linear differential equation. What is that? Linear differential equation. This equation is of form this, so is a linear differential equation whose integrating factor, I told you about the formula of integrating factor when the differential equation is linear in y. What was that? E raised to power p dx. So what is p here? E raised to power 4x upon x square plus 1 into dx. You can take x square plus 1 as t and 2x dx is equal to dt. So I can write here 2 dt upon t. So what I get? E raised to power 2 log t. What I can write it? E raised to power log t square. So what I am getting? E raised to power log becomes 1, so it gives me simply t square. And what I was considering as t, x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 raised to power 2 is the integrating factor for this differential equation. You can easily see this was so easy to find the integrating factor for this differential equation. I compared the differential equation with the standard form and find the value of p and q, and then I find the integrating factor. Now I am going to write the solution for this differential equation. So what was the formula for solution? Hence the solution is what was the dependent variable in this case? That is y. Y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So y into integrating factor is x square plus 1 raised to power 2 is equal to q. Q was what? You can see I compared, then I got q as 1 upon x square plus 1 raised to power 3. So I am going to put it. And what is integrating factor? That is x square plus 1 raised to power 2. So you can see this term got cancelled by this, and here it is dx plus integrating constant c. So y into x square plus 1 raised to power 2 is equal to dx upon x square plus 1 plus c. You can see this is the formula of tan inverse x. Okay, so the solution is y x square plus 1 raised to power 2 is equal to tan inverse x plus c. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. You can see this is so easy to solve. This is the required solution. So you can see this was so easy to solve. Firstly, I compared the given differential equation with the standard form, and then I got the value of P and Q by comparing them together. And then I find the value of integrating factor by applying the formula that I told you in my previous video. And then I found the solution of this. Okay, so it was so easy, you can find it. And now I am going to take the next example, which is linear in X.